Hello and welcome. In this video we are going to learn how to switch between an AAD user and a local user on a Windows 10 computer. So now we are logged in with this user and we want to switch to this user. So we choose the Windows icon and then we choose this one and then we choose switch user. And then we choose other user. And now we have to pay attention because here it says sign into your work or school account. That means I cannot log in with the other user just by typing this, because the last time it was set to log into AAD. So this time we have to specify that it is the computer that we are going to log into. Now it says sign into new PC name. We have now specified that it is the computer that we are going to log into. With other words, we have specified that it is a local user that we are going to log in with. So now we are signed in with a local user and we want to switch to an AAD user. So we choose the Windows icon and we choose this one and then we choose this one. Since both users are now signed in, we do not have the same problem as we did before. That also means that when we now want to switch from an AAD user to a local user, we can easily do this without having the problem that we did before. With other words, the problem that we had in the beginning is just a problem when the user is not already signed in. But what happens when we are going to switch from a local user to an AAD user that is not signed in? We see that now we have the same problem as we did before, but this time it is an AAD user that we are going to sign in with. That means that we have to specify that there is an AAD user that we are now using. In this video we have learned how to switch between an AAD user and a local user, and between a local user and an AAD user when the other one is not signed in. Thank you for watching my video, and remember to like, share and subscribe.